Then next one is common divisible method. So you have to start by a digit which divides all these numbers in first time. So 2, 5 ja 10, 2 0 ja 0. 2 7 ja 14, then 1 remaining, 0 will become 10, 2 5 ja 10. Then 2 1 ja 2, 0 0. Again, you can start by 2. So 2 25 ja 50. 75 is not divisible, so write as it is 75. Then 2 5 ja 10, 2 0 ja 0. Then this is not divisible by 2, this also not divisible by 2, but 50 is divisible by 2. So write 2, 25 will be same, 75 will be same, no change, but this 50, 2 25 is 50. Now you have to try by 3. 25 is not divisible by 3, 25 is not divisible by 3, but this 75, 7 plus 5, 12. 12 is divisible by 3, that means 75 is divisible by 3. So 25 will be same, 25 no change, 75 will be 3 2 ja 6, 1 remaining, 5 will become 15, 3 5 ja 15. Then 25. 5 5 ja 25, 5 5 ja 25, 5 5 ja 25. Then by 5, 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. Your required LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. So 5 5 ja 25, 25 into 3 75, 75 into 2 150, 150 into 2 300, 300 into 2 600. So as you can see, your LCM is same. 600 is required answer. Question number 3, 4, 5. These three questions are same, and the only one formula you have to use there. Product of two numbers equals to HCF into LCM, or you can also write A into B equals to HCF into LCM. This A into B is your product of two numbers. So the first question is, the HCF and LCM of two numbers are 50 and 300. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 50 and 300. So HCF is 50, LCM is 300. If one of the numbers is 150, one of the number means what? Either it is A or B. You can assume anyone. A और B दोनों में कोई भी आप ले सकते हो. तो A को A रहने देते हैं और B को ले लेते हैं 150. Now you have to find A. So for that you are having 150 with A in relation of multiplication. So transpose this 150 to the right hand side. So A equals to what? 50 into 300 divided by 150. So 0 0 get cancelled. Then 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja, 3 1 ja, 300 ja. So finally A equals to what? A equals to 100. Clear? Next question is 4 and 5. Product of two numbers is given and HCF is also given. Find the LCM. Question number 5. The product of two numbers is 19,200. So product of two numbers, simply I will write here 19,200. Then HCF is given to me. HCF is 40. So write 40 into LCM. So simply we have to find LCM. So for that we have to transpose this 40 to the left hand side. So LCM equals to what? 19,200 divided by 40. So 0 and 0 get cancelled. Then LCM equals to 1920 by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 4 ja 16, then 3 remaining, 2 will become 32, 4 8 ja 32, then 4 0 ja 0. So finally your required LCM is 480. Then last question is question number 7 and question number 8. Question number 7 and question number 8. Before that, you should know that when you are having smallest, minimum, smaller, means you have to find LCM. When you are having maximum, higher, or highest, largest, you have to find HCF. Clear? So in question number 6 only you have to find LCM, and you can use any method. The values are 12, 15, 18, 24, 36. You can use that common division method or common multiple method, whatever you want. Common division method will be easy for you. Then question number 7 and 8 both are same. In 7 you have to increase, and in 8 you have to decrease. So you have to find LCM first. Clear? So 8th one I am solving here. 18, 36, 32, 27. These are the numbers we are having here. So first arrange this in ascending order. So first is 18, then 27, then 32, then 36. Now start by 2. So 2 9s are 18, 27 is not divisible, so write as it is. Then 2 16s are 32, then 2 18s are 36. Again start by 2. 9 is not divisible, so as it is 9. 27 is not divisible, as it is 27. 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18. Then again by 2. 2 9s are, 9 will be same, 27 will be same. Then 4. Then 9. Again start by 2. 9, 27, 2, 9. Again by 2. 9, 27, 1, 9. Now you can start by 3. 3 3 ja, 3 9 ja, 3 3 ja. Then again by 3. 1 ja, 3 ja, 1 ja, 1 ja. Then again by 3. 1 1 1 1. So this is your required LCM. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32. 32 into 27. So you will get 864. This is your required LCM. Now decrease by 3. Decrease by 3 means what? You have to add here. So 864 plus 3, like 867. So your 867 is required answer. Your exercise is over. Now you can solve revision exercise of chapter 8.